More than 1,200 participants across 50 plus cities took part in WitBlox Young Inventor 2020, organized by IIT Bombay. The Young Brigade proved once again that the Indian startup and innovation landscape is getting into its best phase ever. And I would like to welcome everyone to our WitBlox Young Inventor Techfest 2020 Grand Finale Day. First of all, best of luck to everyone. And I have seen all the projects. They are very inspiring. They have made with a purpose to build the future. And we are really great that we have got so many beautiful projects. How many of you are nervous?
Sir, I am nervous right now.
All the sprinter and all are nervous when the fire is to be shot. So if you're nervous, you are well prepared.
Great.
Well done.
Yes.
First judge for this competition, Endu Wall. Hi Endu.
Hi, great to be here.
So Endu, he is the CEO of Amoeba and he is an angel investor and a mentor associated with Royal Academy of Engineering. So he is one of my mentors, and so that is how I know him. Then we have Dr. Sujit Bhattacharya.
Good afternoon all. It is great pleasure for me to be with you. For me, I worked with the Indian Space Research Organization a long time back, and then I'm in UK right now. It's so exciting to see you all young engineers and scientists who are given us such wonderful invention for us to decide who is the winner. For me, all of you are the winners.
And then we have Mr. Subrato Sen. So Mr. Subrato Sen is an IIT Kanpur alumni and I am Bangalore alumni. And he has got lots of business experience. He was in leadership positions in Maruti Suzuki, then Caltex, then Tata Group, Airtel, and Times of India as well.
Well, guys, I am very happy and excited to be here and a bit nervous as well because I've seen the projects and you guys are really bright. I really look forward to interacting with you guys. Thank you.
Mr. Rishabh Sinha. He was part of NASA competitions and he has won NASA competitions also and lot of robotics awards.
Thank you for having me. Very excited to be here, and I'm also very nervous because I've already seen a couple of projects on the app and I think it'll be a really tough competition.
And let's have the video. I would like to request the judges to ask their questions.
People with poor sight have, which are similar to yours or that you're going to be competing with?
Yes, I have checked it thoroughly. I have found 3 projects. First is the ultrasonic sticks that are quite visible in the market.
Thank you very much for a very clear presentation. I was impressed that you went to speak to the end customer and the shopkeeper first.
So, Hamira and Fasiha, good style of presentation. What inspired you to take this project up?
Okay, so we have seen in our community that there are lots of diaper waste every day. So we pondered about it and came to a conclusion to use diapers as a fertilizer.
Very nice presentation, Il. And what I was trying to say is that if you have 2 sensors very close to each other, there will be a overlap of what they see, right? Isn't it? So how did you take care of that overlap? How did you take care of that overlap?
So I didn't keep the sensors very close to each other. I kept a distance of I think 2.5 centimeter. So this overlapping problem doesn't happen. That's why.
And do we have to sanitize the sensor before putting it in the milk?
So we have to clean all the residue, but all the germs start about 85 to 90 degrees when heated up. So milk is already getting heated to 85 to 90. So there is no need of additional sanitizing.
So the technology is not being used. The sanitizing product that we've created is being used. So we've created HOCl, which is a sanitizer, and it's on the Environmental Protection Agency's list against so many viruses that I've mentioned before. But we've created a product from scratch that uses simple water to convert it into a disinfectant that could...
With no fear but confidence, the young brigade took the challenge and presented the most innovative ideas of their invention during the grand finale of a WitBlox Young Inventor 2020 competition. The judges had a tough time to figure out the best. And finally, we have a joint winner. We have a great evening and we have a joint winner today on the WitBlox Young Inventor Techfest 2020. I would like to thank all the judges, all the participants who came, who spent such a long time with us. We went through all the projects and we have got a joint winner. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a great night today. And see you soon, everyone. Mentors is always there. And thank you once again for joining.
Thank you. Had a great time. Enjoy, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. From the entire team of WitBlox, we congratulate Ronak and the team of Hamira and Fasiha for their invention. Keep inventing till we meet again for yet another season of WitBlox Young Inventor competition.